Welcome everyone. It is week 4 in the 8 weeks hair goal challenge, and this week we are going to be doing week 4 deep condition. So as my 2 ingredients, I have chosen to use aloe vera leaf and the goddess hair. So yes, my first time cutting aloe vera leaf, and I'm so nervous. I love this knife though. A shout out to this knife. It works amazing. It's like aerated, so it's so cool, and it's so sharp. So I'm gonna cut some of it off, I guess, at the tip here. All right, and I'm gonna cut along the edges. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see it this way. Okay, not bad, not bad. So now I gotta, oh gosh, this is the part I'm nervous about. I gotta cut the top leaf. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. This knife is, this is a good knife. Ooh, look at that. Oh, so cool. Ah, slimy. I know some people cut it out, but what happens if I'm just curious. I'm gonna do some on the end. Ooh, oh, this is pink. I guess I could cut it out. So some people do cut out the rest. I feel like, do you get it all when you just cut it out like this? All right, I'm gonna try. There we go. Oh, I don't wanna cut myself. Ooh, look at this. Okay, I still got some green stuff on. I guess I gotta get rid of this. Yes, look at that. Ooh, boogers. Oh my gosh. If you don't like snots, well, I don't like snots, but oh gosh. It's so pinkish. You guys usually get, I never seen any videos where the aloe is pinkish. You guys ever have pink aloe? So what are some of the ways that you guys like to use aloe? Do you add it to smoothies? Is it always about hair care? What about skin care? Tell me all the ways that you can use it, that you guys like to use it. Wow. Wow, guys, let me show you. It's so cool. It's almost pinkish. My goodness. All right, I'm making a mess though. I'm definitely making a huge mess. Oh my gosh. Why didn't anybody tell me that aloe was gonna be this difficult? We are going to be using goddess hair in this recipe. Yes, goddess hair, goddess hair. What I also love about goddess hair is that it is infused with cassia, amla, hibiscus, fenugreek for thicker hair, more slip, and rose petal powder for balance, and more aloe for moisture. It is amazing. I love goddess hair. Oh, it's one of my favorites, hands down. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I probably don't have, honestly, enough aloe, so that's why I put the water on the side for just in case. And we're gonna add the aloe first, so that way we can control that liquid. Ooh, yes, you see that? All right, so I'm gonna pour all of this boogers of aloe vera gel into this goddess hair. So because I don't have enough, I'm going to be using and adding some warm to hot distilled water. If you have more aloe, I would probably recommend adding a little bit more to make it even more deep conditioning. ASMR. And just mix this really well. And again, if you want to add more aloe vera gel, you definitely can, because that's going to give it even more slip and moisture. Wow, this is so nice. So you can use it immediately, but definitely pre-wash your hair and leave your hair damp, because it does help the treatment go on so much easier. So you definitely want to do that. Oh, yes, you can see. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a really great treatment for sure. Love it. And you can leave this on your hair for about 1 to 2 hours. And if you are pressed for time, use a heat cap or a steamer, and then, go from there. So let me know what products you have chosen for the week 4 deep conditioning challenge of the 8-week hair goals challenge. You can find all the information also down below. It's never too late to start. And let me know if you try this out, how it turns out. Follow us on all of our social media platforms. Subscribe to the Hennasooq YouTube channel for more. And I'll see you next week on Monday at 7 p.m. on our Instagram to go live at 7 p.m. Eastern Time Zone with the next week's challenge. So stay tuned for more.